Sanaya, what do you think is the best time for walking? I think early in the morning is great. The air is fresh and cool. Morning walks are nice. It feels peaceful and quiet. Yes, and you can start your day with some exercise. It gives you energy. That's true. What about walking in the evening? Evening walks are also good. It helps you relax after a busy day. Yes, and you can enjoy the sunset. It's a beautiful time to walk. I agree. The temperatures are usually cooler in the evening too. What about walking during lunch breaks? Is that a good idea? Yes, a walk during lunch can be a nice break. It helps you feel refreshed. That's a good idea. It's a great way to get some fresh air and move around. Yes, and it can help you stay focused for the rest of the day. Do you walk at any other times? Sometimes I walk in the late afternoon. It's a nice way to unwind. Late afternoon walks are relaxing too. What about in the middle of the day? Walking in the middle of the day can be warm, especially in summer. Yes, it can be hot. It's best to walk early or late to avoid the heat. Definitely. It's important to stay comfortable while walking. I agree. I think I will try more morning and evening walks. That sounds good. You can enjoy different parts of the day. Sanaya, have you noticed any benefits from walking regularly? Yes, I feel much healthier, I have more energy and sleep better. That's great. Walking also helps me feel more confident. Me too. When I reach my fitness goals, I feel proud of myself. Yes, achieving goals is a good feeling, it makes me happy.